In this new Filmora tutorial, I will guide you how you can extend the freeze duration, and for this add any example video to the timeline. Now you want to freeze this frame from 1.6 to 2.2, and now when you click on this timeline button and you will click on the freeze frame, and now you can see that over here there is a gray part over. That means the frame has been freeze for the 1 second. So how you can change that? And let's play first it and here. So now click on that and you will see that duration. And now you can see that the input duration is 1 second. Now change it to 2 seconds and save it. And now here you can see that this gray part area is from extended 1 to 2 seconds. Now play it. Yes. So how you can freeze frame duration to 1 to 2 seconds for once for all. So for this you need to click on the file and go to the preferences, and you will see that general folder and editing tab. You need to click on the editing tab, and in the fourth row you will see that freeze duration is 1 second. So here you can fix it to 2 seconds per freeze and 3 seconds whatever you want. So click OK, and now every time you freeze it, the freeze duration will be 2 seconds. And now here you can see that this is 2 seconds. Similarly you can change it to 3 seconds, 4 seconds, whatever your requirement is. So I hope you understand how to use freeze frame in Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.